Hi, this is needlepointers.com, and today we'll be tie-dyeing various items. We have shirts, hats, bags, and more.
We will be using this tie-dye kit we purchased from Michael's for our project today. The kit comes with 12 colors, gloves, rubber bands, table cover, and a project ideas book. If you would like to purchase supplies for this project, please click the link in the description of our video or the iCard. Michael's is one of our affiliates, so if you purchase through our link, we get a small commission and you help us keep making more videos.
We also bought this extra color too. So this is Shibori, Spiral, Crumple, Ombre, and I'm painting this one. So I'm doing the Ombre. So first I squirted across. I'm not doing a good job of this. So I'm getting my brush and the dye. See if I can absorb it, and then going upwards. So I'm dipping my brush into the dye, and then applying some, then immediately putting water on it. You can't really wait because it dries pretty fast. So like this. Now mine look pretty streaky because we were the best with just putting it on immediately, but applying the dye in lighter areas and then immediately putting water on it helps mix it out and apply and dye the area darker. So like that. We're taking this.
And then at the top, say wait.
And at the top.
Wait. Okay, wait a couple seconds and then start saying what we're doing at the top.
Okay, can somebody hold this because we don't want to spill it. At the top, we're just taking the dyed water and we're just pushing it upward. We're pushing the dye upwards a little bit to make it look a little bit more ombre. So this is a finished ombre.
This is Shibori. To make Shibori, you put different colored paints in each of the sections of a scrunched up t-shirt. Oops.
Try to keep and use your hand to make sure that it stays in this section. Okay. So the third color is blue.
Mm-hmm. Kind of green where it touches yellow, but it's rainbow-ish. Ah, back here. There we go.
Okay. Very good.
Okay, I will be doing this tie-dye shirt in the crumple fashion. Yes. So you use your fingers to push the shirt together. Do that all over, then push it together to pull up like that. Then you take the dye and you just. Okay, I'm gonna put the shirt in this bag.
You put the shirt in a bag to tie it closed for 6 to 8 hours, or up to 24 hours.
I am doing a spiral bag. For spiral, I put in 4 quadrants. That too. Put in 1,
Rub it in.
Yeah.
So the hat, I'm painting it with a galaxy pattern in mind. I'm squirting out some of the pigment, well, tie-dye, and then I'm just going to dab it on wherever I need it or want it. Dab it on, and after you have most of it off, you can just tap it around the area. And repeat wherever you need it. Okay. Clean off the brush real quick. Grab some more color. So right now it just looks like random tie-dye blobs, but it's more controlled random tie-dye blobs. I'm filling in the extra spaces with black. And in some places I'm putting it more heavily than others. So this is the tie-dyed hat, but I'm not done with it because I'm going to put stars with puffy paint on. I'm making a galaxy hat. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Google+. Visit our website by clicking the iCard to find the link to follow us.
So it's been over 8 hours since this shirt has been in the bag, and the instructions say to rinse it after 6 to 8 hours. If you want more intense colors, it says to leave it on longer. So I'm going to rinse the shirt and see how it looks. I can see green is coming out of the shirt. So getting some excess dye out. I'm going to keep rinsing this until the water runs clear, and then I'll be back. So I finished rinsing this t-shirt, and this was done with the crumple method. So you can see it has a pretty cool pattern on it. The next step is to wash by itself in the washer, and then the tie-dyed shirt will be complete. The instructions do say to wash it separately for the first few washings also. So I will continue rinsing out the other items we made, and we'll be back to show you what they look like in the end. If you like this project, please click the link in the description of the video or iCard for more photos, tips, and written instructions. Pin this page on Pinterest so you can find it easily again. If you have a website or a blog, we would love it if you would put a link to our project page on your site. If you have a crafting related website, we can put a reciprocal link to your site also. So these are our finished tie-dye projects. I made the hat. Now the hat I didn't actually wash in the washer, so this is why it has much brighter, darker colors. The other things all got rinsed and washed in the washer. We have the little bag that we created here, and the one t-shirt that Kate painted to look more like a galaxy. This is the shirt that was done in the Shibori style. You can see that we have a lot of color at the top and not so much at the bottom. I think that was because when you roll the shirt from bottom, you start at the bottom and roll it onto the tube and go all the way up to the top. The top is on the outside and the bottom is way deep into the rolls. So it's hard to get the dye all the way through all of the layers. So maybe we needed to use more dye to get it to go through the whole, all the layers on that one. This shirt was done with the crumple method, so, and it turned out really cute. And this last shirt was done with the ombre method, where we painted it, you know, and painted up the dye up. So that one turned out really nice too. We hope you enjoyed this project today and tie-dye some of your own projects this summer. Don't forget to share this project with your friends on social media, subscribe to our channel, comment below, and click the like button. Also, visit our website needlepointers.com to find lots of other craft projects and tutorials.